Oh, yeah.
What is up, everybody? We are back here in my favorite section of the beautiful Braille house, the Vert Ramp. We got special guest Raymond Warner,
What's going
scooter
on?
rider extraordinaire. We have another special guest, also known as the JD Sanchez, the best vert skater in the known universe. And Rick is not wearing any pads because Rick is not going to skate the vert today.
Let's go, Rick. He's staying safe today, brother.
What we think, you know, Raymond wants to ride around a bit, have some fun on the vert, then maybe we'll see if we can, what is it, Gabe? We'll get a little bit of a highest air challenge going. Be very interesting to see. I believe JD's current record was 7 feet.
Yep.
So let's see what will win, skateboard or scooter.
Raymond, you signed the waiver, right?
I have signed the waiver.
Nice.
All right, we're good.
All right, you're dropping in first. This is your home.
Okay.
Start us off.
I'm gonna start at 1 inch. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, singular
Okay.
inch.
That's honestly way harder to do than that.
You know what's funny? That was actually pretty close
That
to
was
1
pretty
inch.
close. That was honestly impressively close.
See if I can match up the singular inch, or I'll do a lip. I'll do 0 inch.
Oh, what the heck? Yo!
All right.
It's a money shot.
For 1 foot or half a foot?
Let's give
I
him one
want-
foot.
I think yeah. Once you get up to like 3-4 feet, you can start going like half incrementals.
All right. I guess. All right. Well, I guess it was like here, and then I'm gonna go.
Am I the
right there.
only one that is just completely uncomfortable up here right now?
Nah, I am as well.
He's pushed all the way back at the wall
Dude,
too.
hey, when we were like in our groove, I was over here feeling like yeah, but no sir.
Not
Oh,
today, bro.
I need my pads. That was so sick.
Dude, I like this ramp, bro. It's fun.
You know it was built by Danny.
You built this? Bravo. Bravo, Mr. Danny. Killed it.
Oh my gosh.
I think that's about 1.5 too, JD.
Come on, get her again.
Oh.
Bro,
2 feet.
bro, you got
That was good.
Here's the thing about JD, dude. He has precision on this thing. Like, it says 2 feet, 2 feet. 1 foot, 1 foot. It's amazing. Oh, man.
We haven't skated the vert in a video in a while.
Oh, yo. You got bearings as washers here?
Bro, this one's the best right here. Spinner.
What the heck? Wow.
Pop your bearing, you just come up here.
I was playing with him, bro.
Get out of here.
That was about 8 inches.
2.8.
Wait, you know I should have asked.
Wait a second.
What is your prediction before you even start this?
These aren't even a
I
foot.
would like to.
It's a
No,
foot.
it has to be 12. 12 inches equals a foot. It's only 10 inches.
But this is definitely not an inch, though.
Yeah, you're right there, JD. Why did they do it like that?
That is interesting. Maybe 3.1, 3.2.
'Cause-
My
so you got-
prediction.
yeah.
I think I would like to get to where JD is at, but I think he'll go higher than me. So I think he'll have a new record.
Hi, JD.
That's about the bell.
That's what you did last
Yeah,
time.
I do bell.
But you did 7
Every
foot,
day.
and then you do bell. You ever gonna do the bell, Gabe?
Oh, absolutely. I'll go touch it right now with my bare hand. All right.
But my turn for 3?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. Boom.
3-4.
Yeah. I think about here, JD.
Went a little above 3, but it's all good.
All right. See if I can see how close I can get to 3. Like a bar
You guys
height.
are just lucky I'm not competing. I would have hit like 13.
By now already. Like that would have been your second
Remember
air.
my first try.
You want me to hold like this?
No. I'll see what happens here.
Hey, let the man be. Like, he's good. He's got this. These are professionals, all right?
I think I was lower.
Yep.
That was lower, right?
That was about here.
I'm a scooter kid, you JD.
Run that back.
Thank you.
Snake.
That,
Just a little bit.
yeah, that was about,
That was about it?
It's tough. This is tough.
I don't know if I can make 4.
Oh, I almost fell.
Is that even 4?
Magnifique.
I wasn't
You
paying
did like
attention.
I was like, yeah, 4 something lower. I love it.
Okay.
I was watching the judo.
Ricky, you have one job.
I'll get a little tuck for him. Little tuck in my hander.
Stop it!
No, it's crazy.
Let's go. I like this ramp, bro. This ramp is fun.
What was that?
Already at 5, bro.
Was that already 5?
Almost.
I think about here.
Super weird on the first wall.
I noticed
saw
that. I noticed that.
Wiggle.
Oh my gosh. What the? Oh, we're even.
Yeah.
We're
I
exactly
like
even.
it. I like it. All right, JD, here we go.
All right, time to go for 5?
I'm not gonna do any like cool trick.
Whoa! Whoa! Sponsor!
Right, what's the use of this like that? You think that'll help?
Is that safe?
I don't know.
Oh, it is. No, it is literally like at least 8 inches in.
They're gonna sack on it.
I trust Danny with my life. Holy!
I think that was getting up around here.
Yes, sir.
That was tweak, JD.
JD, already stepping up to 6, bro. That was quick. We've been here for like 5 minutes.
Like 10 minutes.
All right, JD, I'll try to hop up there with you. I'm gonna do the same thing JD's doing, though. I'm starting.
Dang, that is already taller than us.
I know.
I'm scared.
Alright, so 2 setup ads. Woo! I think around
About 5.
Around 5.
Whoa!
Wow. I think that was around 7? No, like 6.
Oh, there you go. Oh! Is that a 5
That's
footer?
5 foot, no hander.
Dang.
5 feet, 0 hands.
JD's got like the seniority on this ramp, bro.
Yeah,
I gotta catch
it's
up.
like he's got home court advantage.
You ain't lying.
Home ramp advantage.
All right, JD, I want to see it. I want to see a 6'5".
This is 2 inches taller than Steph Curry. Whoa!
See, I gotta catch up now.
Yeah, JD.
How? Oh, there you go. There we go! Good knee slide!
That was, that was scary. Alright, that was literally like 6.5.
Did he just ring the bell with his back? What in tarnation?
What hit the bell, JD?
His back. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh!
Alright, we cleared 6 that time. That was about 6'2".
Wow! haven't seen one of those up close in a while.
Yeah, I didn't even measure because I was just watching.
You just tossing them first try
Yeah,
every time
JD.
now?
That look nice, bro. That looks super nice.
Steve.
Dang,
Nah,
that's the
that's
spirit.
Yeah, I ain't doing no 540. I'll tell you that right now. I'll do a flare. Not that high though.
Yeah, flow would be sick.
I'll do a baby one.
Alright.
Like my head's gonna be like,
Yeah.
okay.
I'm fine with that.
Let me do a little one.
Hey, that,
I came around, the wood was right here, bro. I was like, oh, I'm really close.
that was at least 17
Exactly
feet
what
high.
I was thinking too.
He just broke the height scale with that one. McTwist. You really think you could drop in Bird on a scooter? Like, actually?
Not right now.
No. I'm just saying, like in
Maybe.
theory.
If because I would do the technique where you hang the front wheel off and then you like bunny hop in. I
Yeah.
think that's how you do it, right?
He keeps landing so far down. Yeah.
He says nope.
That bell would mess me up. As soon as
Yeah.
I hit it, I'd instantly
would-
just be like, no, thank you.
I would
I'm
not be
done.
feeling the belt. Imagine
Yeah.
I skate a ledges and belt every
Dude,
time.
No.
That was about a bit over 6. That scooter was getting mighty close to my teeth out here.
Coming back.
Yeah, JD, you don't have to go higher if you want to.
Those high airs take it out of you, bro. It does. You're like, oh god. Every time you're like on edge, you're like, Jesus, here we go again. But it would have been nice to be able to do it at 12.
That is true.
You got so nervous on that, bro. I tagged my front wheel going in on that side, and I was like, it's okay, it's okay. And then I realized it was not okay. Got really scared.
What the heck? Dude, I got that. I think that was a quality 6.5.
I think they're both about the same at 6.5, yeah?
I think Raymond was 6 and JD was 6.5.
Oh! There we go!
There we go. Yeah, I think right around 6'5", 6'5", scoot. Also 6'5".
That was crazy.
JD, are we done with the high stuff? Are you done with the high stuff?
Oh. Bro! Dude, you just ollied down El Toro.
Honestly.
Did he hit 7?
7 foot air.
bro. Good job, JD. All right, here we go again.
Well, I was gonna say let's be done with the high air and do some more chill sessioning, but this is still a vert ramp, so nothing's really chill.
Nothing is.
Can I go down now? Can I film long lens again?